Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm just trying to find a place to film right now. It's really crowded in the garage. I've got stuff all over the place. So the tie rods that I replaced didn't really fix the issue on the car. So it's still making that clunking noise. So we're gonna go through some tests today to determine what that noise is, since it obviously isn't the tie rods. All right, so it doesn't look like the tie rods even fixed this issue. It's still noisy. I'm not sure what that is. If you guys have any idea, you could let me know. But right now I'm going to be inspecting the U-joint just to make sure that it is not the U-joint. And then maybe I'll have to adjust the steering rack as well. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, we're good. So, with the help of my girlfriend, shaking the wheel, steering wheel while I look for that sound, sounds like it's coming from this side on the tie rod. So I think what is the I guess the rack end bushing is gone, because you could feel it just bundle up. I mean, you can feel the clicking and clunking on the tie rod. So as I hold on to the outer tie rod, you can feel that clunk, 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 clunk as she's shifting it back and forth. So it's definitely rack and bushing. So that's kind of a waste because I just did the tie rods, and if I were to replace that bushing, you need to take it all off and then pop that white little bushing out and then re-grease it and put it in. So, you know, I guess maybe I have to do it again, but for now, I'm not going to replace it yet. I'm just going to Google and do some more research. So it looks like I'm going to be replacing my rack end bushings and, well, rack end bushing and the lock washer again if I do the rack end bushing. So I'm going to be ordering those two parts from Honda, and I'll show you guys the install once the parts arrive and I have time to actually do the install. Looks like I'm going to probably drop the steering rack this time and basically work on it that way because it's a lot easier and way more room. But we'll see how it goes. And if that doesn't fix the issue, I guess I'm going to have to do adjustment on the steering rack. I actually haven't yet. I require a 40 millimeter like wrench or some sort of special tool from Honda to kind of unlock it. A adjustable wrench works, but you need something that opens up 40 millimeters. So it looks like I'll probably have to buy a wrench to do it, but it's not too expensive anyways, roughly around like 20 bucks. But I guess the tool from Honda would probably be around that price range as well, if they even have it still. But anyways, guys, that's all for today. So if you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and maybe share my videos. And as always, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.